Hi, boys and girls. Let's learn the five sense organs and their functions. What are we waiting for? Let's run on. Ears for hearing. Eyes to see things. Nose to smell. Tongue to taste. Skin to feel. Hope you like our video. Subscribe to eLearning TV and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.